Julle, dit is die tweede kwartaal van 2026 alreeds. En ek weet nie of julle kan onthou nie, die In en Om Platteland span het laas jaar vir 'n ruk by 'n ongelooflike co-working space gewerk in Klerksdorp in die Matlosana Mall. En ons het bietjie kom inloer vandag om te kyk hoe gaan dit hierso by Cooldesk. En ons gaan met Fatima gesels. Kom ons hoor wat het sy te sê.
Hi, Sasha. Welcome back to Cooldesk.
Thank you
It's
so
nice
much.
to have you over. Yes, we're in the second quarter of the year, and Cooldesk is thriving at this point. We have the hot coffee, we have the desks for you, and we're going good. We're trying new collab sessions coming up soon, and we've got loads of specials that are coming your way. But yeah, you know how Klerksdorp is at this point. We're struggling a little bit with our infrastructure. Things are not going the greatest, but we still persevere through everything. So yeah. But
Yeah, so this is what they said also, there's potholes and there's, I know an entire suburb was without power.
yes, I think it was in Irene Park, Flamwood. It was entire weekend, and I think the Monica Avenue was circling with the potholes and the roads. So we've been through the most, and then the taxi shutdown happened.
Yes.
So Klerksdorp has been a bit unstrained at the moment, but
There's
Cooldesk
hope.
has been maintaining its vibe. You know?
Yes, it's very cool, yeah.
Exactly. So pop in, visit us, and come and view the spaces.
Can we just recap again? Besides the coffee, which was one of my go-tos every morning, Anki knew Natasha needs a good cup of filter coffee. What else do you have to offer?
So we have, as you know, we have our conference rooms, which is here. We have
Kom ek wys gou-gou. Hier's een conference room.
our meeting rooms. That's for your smaller, intimate meeting sessions.
You can take the phone. Yes.
And then we have our private offices that we have available. I'm just going to open the door. So this is our offices. We've got 3 of these available. They are available on a month-to-month, a weekly, daily, hourly. And then we've got our open area with our pause coffee section. So all of our bookings can be done online. All our bookings can be done online on www.cooldesk.co.za, or you can email me on hello@cooldesk.co.za. We're here to serve you. We open Monday to Friday from 8 until 5 p.m. We do training session bookings as well, catering alongside with that.
And there the phone is ringing. But 1 or 2 other cool things at Cooldesk is Fatty and Anki, who are just the best of the best.
Oh, thank you.
And
Thank
you will be treated every day with their wonderful personalities. So if you want to know, as jy wil weet, dit is in Matlosana Mall. Wanneer jy opgaan by die trappe, by Panarottis en Spur en na die mall se bestuurkantore. Hierbo, dis veilig, hier's parkering, hier's karwagte, hier's lunch options, hierso is kry jou shopping options. Jy kan sommer al jou kruideniers kry as jy hier werk. So daar's geen rede hoekom jy nie vir Fatty en die span by Cooldesk moet kontak nie. Ryk vandag nog uit.